Good afternoon, everyone. I'm James Crummell. Artificial intelligence is seemingly everywhere these days, and so is legislation to regulate it. Mallory Messner spoke to a bill sponsor and joins us live in Susquehanna Township with more. Good afternoon, Mallory.
Good afternoon, James. Artificial intelligence is already being used in the healthcare system. New legislation could regulate how the technology is used at places like the new UPMC Go Health Urgent Care, which just celebrated a ribbon cutting this morning. The president of UPMC Community and Ambulatory Services said AI can be helpful in some cases, but it's not used to diagnose patients. Under the proposed legislation, insurers, hospitals, and clinicians would need to provide transparency to patients and the public about how AI is being used. That could be a printed or online notice. I spoke with State Representative Arvind Venkat, who is an emergency physician himself. He says artificial intelligence is helpful for emergency care documentation, insurance billing and coding, and recommending clinical pathways. However, he says this technology needs to be used in partnership with a human medical professional because sometimes, as you know, AI can come to wrong conclusions.
The best evidence we have, at least in the clinical setting, is that the combination of an expert physician with artificial intelligence gives the most accurate outcome for individual patients.
Bill sponsors plan to introduce this legislation in September, James.
So, Mallory, I mean, this artificial intelligence, it's here to stay, and we have to embrace it. Basically, what these lawmakers are saying that it still needs that human touch.
Yes, lawmakers are saying there needs to be guardrails in place so we're not slowing down the progress of this technology, because doctors were telling me that it is helpful to have AI in some cases. It streamlines things, makes the computer work faster so that they have more time to spend with the patients. They can see those patients faster. But again, guardrails in place so that it doesn't take over everything, because that could be unsafe, lead to misdiagnosis and that sort of thing.
Hi, I'm Eric Finkenbinder from ABC 27, and we're excited to announce the new ABC 27 News Plus app. Live stream newscasts or watch content on demand. This is different than the ABC 27 app on your smartphone. You can check this out at home, and it's very easy to use. With a Fire Stick, go to the homepage, scroll down to search. From there, enter ABC 27. Move over to the apps, and there we are. Click the icon and install. It's just that easy.